Hey guys, Jason from Sparkplug TV here. Is your truck's tailgate kinda, just fall off occasionally? I mean, like, I can just, does it ever do that to you? If that does happen, you should probably replace your tailgate hinges, which I'm going to show you how to do today. So whenever you are replacing your tailgate hinges, there's only one tool you're going to need. It's technically two. A 3/8 ratchet and a 13mm socket. Now, when we go to replace these hinges, we do have a couple things to pay attention to. The hinges on the truck side are labeled left and right. And it does not appear to be any labeling on the left or the right for the tailgate side. Just remember, whatever you do take off of the tailgate, if it has the cutout, replace it with the cutout. If it doesn't, replace it with the full circle. So, to crack these loose on the tailgate, we'll do the cutout first. Just take your 13mm. Make sure it's set to loose. Mine was set to tight. By the way, unless you bought hardware, save the hardware. Now, it's off. So we'll take our new one, and it just kind of slides on, and you bolt it on. Alright, and that's one done. Let's flip it and do the other side. Let's get this one off. Same principle, 13, 2 bolts, and we'll be replacing it with this one. Alright, now we'll get the ones on the truck done. Now, I got this one here. Let's move the tailgate out of the way. Let's get it off. That one's not getting replaced today, folks. That one, the tabs have rusted off, so I'm going to have to actually make a separate video of how we're going to fix this. I'm hoping, and from what it looks like, I'll be able to just use a couple riv nuts. But if that's not the case, I'm probably going to have to pull this tail light out and try to weld some tabs in there or something. But let's check the other side. So if we really look at this one here, it's kind of the one that needs to be replaced, because it's like gone. I'll give you a close-up with it after I get it off here. Here's what it looked like, and that's what it needs to look like. I'd say that's probably why it's falling off. All right, that one is done. But let's get this tailgate put back on. So, when we put the tailgate back on, the left side's just the cup, and the right side has that little cut in it. So you slide the one with the cup on first, and then the cup with the cut in it will slide on to the other hinge and allow you to use it again. And then you just gotta clip these little guys back on, which is super easy. Slide it on here, and it's on. So now all you gotta do to hook the clips in is grab the tab and pull. And now, she lifts and closes without a problem. So thank you guys for watching this episode of the YouTube channel. Please make sure to check out the podcast link in the description. Alex and I's Instagrams are also down in the description. And if you have any ideas, go follow us on Facebook or Instagram and shoot us a message. Thanks for watching.